everyone. Welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today in this video, we discussing the Keltner channel indicator. Use this indicator we make a lot of profits in the session. Before start trading, navigate to the indicator section and select to the appropriate tool. We will be using EMA period 22, ART period 8, multiplier 3. Go to the main section. Life presents each of us with opportunities to alter our destinies. If you're looking to take control of your future, we are here to guide you in seizing those opportunities, starting with the easier, more accessible wins. On this channel, we delve into technical analysis, options trading including binary and forex trading psychology, and, most crucially, money management. We also explore many topics that you may not have encountered elsewhere. By subscribing to our channel, we assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies. The Keltner channel was first introduced by Chester Keltner in the 1960s. The original formula used simple moving averages, SMA, and the high-low price range to calculate the bands. In the 1980s, a new formula was introduced that used average true range, ATR. The ATR method is commonly used today. The Keltner channel is a volatility-based technical indicator composed of three separate lines. The middle line is an exponential moving average, EMA, of the price. Additional lines are placed above and below the EMA. The upper band is typically set 2 times the ATR above the EMA, and the lower band is typically set at the inverse of 2 times the ATR, below the EMA. The bands expand and contract as volatility, measured by ATR, expands and contracts. Keltner channels are volatility-based bands that are placed on either side of an asset's price and can aid in determining the direction of a trend. The exponential moving average, EMA, of a Keltner channel is typically 20 periods, although this can be adjusted if desired. The upper and lower bands are typically set 2 times the average true range, ATR, above and below the EMA, although the multiplier can also be adjusted based on personal preference. The price reaching the upper Keltner channel band is bullish, while reaching the lower band is bearish. The angle of the Keltner channel also aids in identifying the trend direction. The price may also oscillate between the upper and lower Keltner channel bands, which can be interpreted as resistance and support levels. Boost your trading success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.